Today we'll work with the energy of justice, the 8th major arcana of tarot. It represents balance, harmony, truth, and responsibility. This card invites us to align with our inner truth, find balance in our choices and actions, and honor cause and effect. Listen to this empowerment for 7 days before moving to the next arcana. We strengthen your midline to connect, communicate, and resonate with justice, harmony, and responsibility. I'm strengthening your central nervous system, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and lower brain. I'll align you with truth, balance, and peace in your life in both directions. May you be centered, balanced, and stable with these energies. I'll strengthen your central nervous system's connection to the energy of justice. Be strong to act with inner truth, integrity, and responsibility. Be strong to recognize the consequences of your actions, thoughts, and emotions. Today I'll remove weaknesses, keeping you from your truth, and strengthen qualities for living with justice, honesty, and balance in all areas of life. I'll eliminate blockages to inner truth and clarity. I'll remove thoughts, emotions, experiences, and beliefs that prevent you from seeing and connecting with your truth clearly. I'll eliminate doubts, external influences, and judgments clouding your vision. I'll erase the fear of truth, judgment, and disapproval. I'll strengthen your connection to inner truth, enabling aligned actions and decisions without guilt or doubt. I'll reinforce balance, center, and stability between your mind and heart. I'll balance the rational and emotional in both directions. I'll strengthen the connection between your mind and heart. I'll remove any blockage preventing balanced and fair decisions. I remove guilt, fear, and insecurity that unbalance you, enhancing your ability to listen to both logic and intuition, enabling confident decision-making. I eliminate visible and invisible burdens that create judgment, guilt, and self-judgment. I'm removing the energy of guilt, self-judgment, and excessive self-criticism. I increase feelings, sensations, and reactions of well-being. I'm erasing any guilt-related thoughts or emotions left by past experiences or limiting beliefs. I strengthen your ability to judge yourself with compassion, fostering growth instead of criticism. I reinforce the balance and stability between giving and receiving. I enhance your capacity to give and receive in equilibrium. I boost your reciprocity, removing tendencies to overgive, feel guilty for receiving, or fear asking for help. I erase the energy of sacrifice, exhaustion, and self-sabotage. I increase your ability to accept gratefully and give without feeling like you're sacrificing. I strengthen justice and respect for yourself and others. I reinforce fairness towards yourself. So it reflects in all your relationships. Let's boost your self-respect, honor your needs, and maintain balanced relationships. I remove energies of inequality, power abuse, or control from all areas of your life. I strengthen your ability to set healthy boundaries and act respectfully to yourself and others. I enhance your awareness of the universal law of cause and effect. Act responsibly, knowing each thought, emotion, and action shapes your life. I eliminate any fear or resistance to taking responsibility for your choices. I boost your ability to create consciously and accept consequences without regret. I remove energies of imbalance and injustice. I erase past energies of injustice, abuse, disadvantage, or loss you've experienced. I clear emotional baggage from experiences where you felt unfairly treated. I remove any resentment, anger, or sadness these experiences left in your energy field. I boost acceptance, forgiveness, and balance to help you let go of these memories. I strengthen the balance between responsibility and freedom. I remove feelings of being tied down or limited by your responsibilities. I enhance your ability to act responsibly while maintaining your authenticity and happiness. I reinforce inner peace and harmony. I strengthen your connection to peace, removing thoughts that cause stress. I erase inner conflict and boost calm in your mind, heart, and spirit. Strong to reflect peace and harmony in your relationships, choices, and experiences. I infuse your energy with neutrality and detachment in both directions. Strong to live in balance. Strong to learn from situations and people with neutrality and detachment. I remove excessive attachment to outcomes, people, or situations and boost your ability to observe without reacting, to accept what happens without resistance, and to decide from a place of calm and clarity. I align you with external and internal justice, strengthening your fairness to yourself and others. I remove self-sabotage and self-denial, empowering you to act with integrity and respect in all choices and actions, living true to yourself. I integrate these justice energies into every quantum particle, atom, molecule, and cell in your body. I'll align these energies with your mind, body, and spirit so they work in sync and harmony in your life. I anchor this justice energy to your field, making you aware that every thought, action, and choice shapes your daily life. I strengthen all internal, external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices of these geometries to 100% infinite potential always. I erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body.